Would you like to create guilt-free, grain-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, oil-free, nut-free pumpkin pie? Today I'm so excited to share with you how to make high-raw vegan pumpkin pie. Plus, you can make homemade pumpkin puree as well. Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Otakuchi Life. I am Mana and on this channel, we learn how to be the most beautiful and elegant version of ourselves and live the best life. Today, I am very excited to share with you guilt-free, grain-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, oil-free, nut-free, high-raw vegan pumpkin pie recipe. This high-raw vegan pumpkin pie is perfect for celebrating pumpkin season and the holidays. And it is completely customizable to your taste and style. Have you ever found that sometimes it is challenging to find vegan and nut-free option desserts? In this recipe, if you love to make it nut-free and low-fat option, it is completely possible. Plus, you don't even need an oven. All you need are simple ingredients, food processor, and blender. And if you're wondering, Mana, I know raw vegan, but what is high raw vegan? High raw vegan means people who eat 70% to 90% raw food but occasionally have cooked food. For me, I love to have steamed pumpkin, sweet potatoes, or potato. That's what I learned. What does high raw vegan mean when I was just started? So let's make our beautiful high raw vegan pumpkin pie together. In this recipe, for the dough, please prepare a blender, food processor, and your favorite cake pan. These are all the ingredients for this recipe, and I will explain them for each one in a minute. This pumpkin pie consists of a crust, 2 layers, and icing. What I love about raw vegan recipes is that everything is customizable and able to be personalized. So I don't usually measure exactly because every vegetables taste different depending on the season, and every rated style, taste, and preference are different. But please feel free to see it as a reference. First, let's make the crunchy base, the crust. Prepare 1 to 2 cups of dates and mulberries. For a nut-free option, mulberries are great for extra crunch for the crust. If you enjoy nuts, you can add almonds or any favorite. In this recipe, I had some raw almonds. Simply put all the ingredients into a food processor and blend until it becomes a sticky texture and spread evenly in a cake pan. Again, I don't count for each exactly, but you can taste it and make your own texture and flavor style. Next, let's make the first layer of the pie. This is the key layer and it is super sweet and delicious. Place half of the steamed pumpkin, dates, and cinnamon in a blender and blend until smooth. You can add a little water to blend well and spread on the top of the crust. If you want to make it nut-free, this simple crust and layer pie is still super gorgeous and tasty. You can place it in the freezer for about 2 hours and enjoy. Next, if you can have nuts, let's make the second layer of the pie. Place the rest of the steamed pumpkin, dates, half cup of the soaked cashews, and cinnamon in a blender and blend until smooth. Again, feel free to add water if you need to. Then spread on the first layer. This second layer will taste like cream cheese because of the cashews and add extra flavor. It is so delicious. Finally, let's make the frosting. This frosting is so much fun. Put the rest of the half cup soaked cashews, a little lemon juice, maple syrup, and a little water in a food processor and blend until smooth and creamy. You can decorate as you like. After icing, you can put the pie in the freezer for about 2 hours, ready to eat. This pie doesn't have any coconut oil in it, so even when it's frozen, it's still so creamy. Please enjoy! If you want to make pumpkin puree without an oven, you can simply steam the pumpkin and put it in a blender with water. Once you made the puree, you can add dates for sweet pumpkin soup or salt, pepper, greens, and herbs for a savory soup. It is very easy, versatile, and fun. Especially for raw vegan recipes, please taste it during the process and make it your own style. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe video. If you make it or enjoy the recipe, please share it with us. I am very excited to hear from you. And what kind of cake or pie would you love to try as high raw vegan or raw vegan? Please let me know in the comment below. I would love to share them with you in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I always love you and appreciate you so much. Until next time, stay gorgeous and have a lovely day, my goddess friend.